Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a healthy base and making the first mix. Measure your oil and acid roughly 1 to 3. If you want cream, use half an avocado or a spoon of Greek yogurt. Add an emulsifier like Dijon mustard to help bind oil and acid so the dressing stays smooth. Whisk briefly or pulse in a blender. You're creating a stable emulsion. Once done, taste for balance and adjust acid or salt by small increments to avoid overpowering the greens. Now you develop complexity and texture step by step. Mince aromatics like garlic or shallot and add them sparingly so they infuse without dominating. Once added, they mellow. Stir in fresh herbs or citrus zest for brightness, and a small sweetener such as 1 teaspoon honey to round acidity if needed. To adjust body, thin the mix with a tablespoon of water or thicken it with tahini or yogurt. Make sure to taste between additions so you control balance rather than guessing. Finish by straining if desired and adding fresh herbs or a last squeeze of lemon right before serving to lift flavors. Pour into a sealed jar, refrigerate, and label with the date. Most oil-based dressings keep up to 5 days. If the dressing separates or looks broken, don't discard it. Fix it by whisking the broken mix into a teaspoon of warm water or into a fresh egg yolk. Then slowly reintroduce the dressing while whisking to reform the emulsion. Taste and adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.